Hey, damn it, Bob Dylan, Chevy Chase, coffee, freeform thought, electric, eclectic, I'm up, I'm awake. Hey, Jude, you're nude, you're not going anywhere, you're going to have a smoke and a toke with some bloke, what a joke. You're going uptown now with some clown, you ain't going down, you ain't going nowhere, you want to go somewhere. The escalator is broken, you lost your bus token, and the mistaken blues is what you got now. You wish things were different, but they're still the same. 20 years have gone by and you still want a piece of the pie. You thought it was going to be strawberry, but instead it's rhubarb. Shotgun Chevy Blues. He's sick, he's crazy, he's got the shotgun Chevy Blues. He'll sell you a truffle, he'll get into a scuffle, he'll argue you all night. He'll see it to the end and nothing will have happened. It all ends up a waste of time. He'll ask you for a dime and give you back a nickel. Then he'll ask for 2 quarters more while he snores in your room and brings you to your doom. Some would say he's a loon and out of tune, but I tell you what, I never want to go through that again. I never want to return to that land. Don't misunderstand, the guy is a bastard and he takes no shame in making hell for his own brother. Jamming in the morning with some good times and a solid cup of blues coffee. Feeling good, feeling fine, wishing things were different, but they are still the same. Same old game, what's your name? I have no idea, even though I slept with you. Caffeinated body, sifting through time, dancing on the beach, freaking out over nothing. Memories are like the ocean, waves crashing on the shore. Sometimes it is still water, sometimes it is a storm. It never dawns on you to sing the blues, instead you live them. Running out of time, there's never enough. You wander over concrete looking for trees and all you find is stone. Must suck to be alone.